Hello guys, on today's video I'm going to be showing you how to customize your taskbar. So if you don't want to download a software and you just want to use the native settings for your taskbar, this is the right video for you. So we go to the taskbar, so we right click it and then we go to taskbar settings. So we got different settings right here. So I'm gonna be showing you the most looking settings, the ones that make a change. So first of all, we got the taskbar items. This one is for the search right here. So we got to hide it, only the icon, the loop, or we got the icon and label, or we got the search box. I like this one because it gives you an image at the right corner, and if you click it, it gives you information about whatever Microsoft put on there. So this image changes every day. Then we go to these settings right here. This one is for touchscreen, so I'm not gonna be talking about it. Now, this one right here is gonna show you all the trays right here. So I'm gonna disable them all because I don't like to see many icons right there. So I'm gonna disable them. If you wanna do the same, so you can do it, that's fine. So this one is gonna hide the little arrow for the tray. So if I hide it, it's not gonna show it anymore. So I like to have it on. Next, we are gonna see something really amazing, and that's the hiding of the taskbar. So we can hide it and have a full screen. So that's really convenient if you wanna have a full screen. So I like that setting. Right now I'm gonna use it as showed because I'm recording this video. Then we got this setting right here, which is the badge on the icon. So it can, you see, it goes away. Um, Another setting that we have is this one. So if we put this setting right here, it's gonna show whatever I have open right here. It's gonna make it bigger. Then we got never, and I always put always. So now to change the color of the taskbar, we go to personalization on settings, and then we go to color. So we go right here. This section is for the taskbar. So we turn it on and we can change the color of the taskbar if you don't want to hide it and show the color. So let's change it to pink, blue, whatever color you want, you can put on it. Um, so I'm gonna leave it as blue. And this one is, so if I open my files right here and I turn it on, it's gonna show this border in a different color, and we can change that color right here. Uh, so these two changes um, are like on the same color. So for the taskbar in the corner is gonna be the same color right here. So that's all I got today. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like my channel. I mean, like my video, subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and show you how to do more things. Thank you.